All right, so we have a sump crock here.
Let me get my wife down here. If we're doing something like running the discharge, she's going to want to be in on it.
Sure. All right, we have a sump crock installed here, which is in good shape. Pump discharge is the way it should. The basement walls are dry, so it's doing its job. Must be some drain tile under here. What someone did is they took 1.5 inch PVC, which is correct, and then they necked it down and necked it down again, and they now have, looks like 3/4 inch black pipe to galvanize as the discharging runs up through the ceiling and it does the hokey pokey, and then it goes up and through the wall up in here, and there it is there, and goes out in the yard. What we're going to do is run this up with 1.5 inch PVC to the ceiling and run it out along the ceiling out to the back and get it out of these people's basement that way, where it should go out in the backyard and discharge correct. This is the corner on the outside where the plumbing comes out. This is the sump discharge right here. This is their gas line. And what we can do then is reroute sump pump discharge out here to the backyard, where it can naturally drain away from the foundation back here to the backyard, as someone should have done in the first place. And so looking at this again, how they ran this, it's one of just the worst plumbing jobs I've ever seen for a sump pump discharge. They then took their 3/4 inch metal pipe, if I can see it in the light, they ran it into the storm discharge, which is where the gutter section was going into. So what MudTech is going to do here, we're going to rip and remove this slab here. I don't understand why my phone is having a issue focusing today. Phone has now decided to focus. So what MudTech is going to do is we're going to cut out this slab here to that corner, and we're going to remove the rose bush from this joint. This will be paved in. We'll rebase that. We'll rebase this up to this joint, and then water from this low spot here where it's a big puddle will then flow around the house and proceed down the driveway, where you get the natural flow and where you get to use the natural grading of this hill. I'll get a side shot here. Just another example of, look how much flow they have here, but they don't use it in original construction. It's always been strange to me why everyone wants it flat or even pitched back in some points around their house. Use this flow to greater advantage and make this home high and dry once again. MudTech out.